Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today you know what I'm doing. So I'm going to give my 1D for service. Okay, that is like one free service system first. Okay, so see that the vehicle is run for. I don't know. I guess some. I will tell you. Okay, wait. Okay, wait and watch. I'm driving in fun and yamma. It was scary. So it is run for 1066. Hey, Namama, you caught the student so crazy, crazy. So this guy is writing down my date of birth. Liko, liko. तुमना मालूम नहीं है. Okay, okay. So what happened? He's trying to check any scratches is there so that he doesn't do any scratch on my 1D. Nice color, no? Nice. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna give my 1D and I'll come later. He told me to come around 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna come. Bye. So I try to know the adventure now is that I'm trying to walk back home. That is the adventurous part. Okay. See sexy leg. So I'm trying to walk. It's crazy, you know. It's pretty far from my house. It's almost like 1.5 kilometers, maybe. I'm not sure. I know it's not far, but still. Hi guys. Very funny face, huh? So, bullock cart and all is going. See, I'm trying to wait for that red signal to come. Okay, so that I can cross on the zebra crossing. So hey, don't take me wrong. Okay. So I'm trying to wait, and then I started walking. Okay, wow. So I was walking, walking, walking. It was so crazy and it was so sunny at that time. I went around 10 o'clock. Okay. I was sleeping and my dad came and woke me up. He's like, hey, go give the one da. He told. So I was like, okay, fine. And then I took the decision of going. And the other side, I took the decision of walking back home is because of my mom, which she keeps grumbling every day, telling, please go for walking. So see, hey, Mono, okay. Oh my god, you should see that part where I have to cross this road. It was so creepy. People were so coming, like they were super fast on this road. Okay, so I was crossing the zebra crossing. Okay, mama, I was crossing, mama. Look at this guy, mama. This guy is standing here from so long. It's burnt, like it become so dark. Sorry, mama, for you. So I'm going. Okay. Oh my god, you should see. Okay, it's more worse to cross the road while walking. Look at this. They're not even stopping. I mean, I tried to stop, but they didn't give a damn about me stopping. Like they're not even thinking there's a person who's walking on this road. It's very creepy, mama. I was trying to shout, okay, it was creepy. I mean, it was very funny. So, mama, look at their JCB. These people are working, mama. Cha, crazy people. Digging the road for what? I don't know. Hey, na mama, Susua. You saw me. Hey, mama, left to kudu. Hey, give ra. Hey, go ra re. Hey, this mama, this Vandi is so cute, okay. What to do? That app wasn't there in my phone, so I could have taken that. It's okay, let me walk. Walking is very healthy, since mama. Try to walk, okay, everybody. Walk and talk, you do, okay. It's crazy. Literally, I was sweating, and I never imagined this because I thought Bangalore will start raining and it was super sunny. I was like, oh, let me walk, let me walk. I was just walking. Mama அப்படியே கீழே வந்து subscribe okay and then put a like okay. சும்மா keep watching, don't keep watching, please put some subscription thing and all you do know, huh? Please. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. So the other part is don't walk on the direction where the vehicle goes, try to walk on the opposite side. I took that decision and tried to cross the road. Oh my god, that I had to stand there for almost 5-10 minutes just to cross the freaking road. I couldn't cross at all. Okay, I came off in the between now and see mama, that guy, auto guy, he's not even stopping. I see back, full vehicles came off his sims. Ayo, murder only. And so fast. Yappa. Weirdo. I waited for this chance to just cross the road. Ta-da! Run! Dun 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 dun. So yeah, being tall, it's a big problem, mama. 6 feet irundukkunnu, I'm getting slapped by these leaves and all. So mama, look at this bus guy. I'm walking on the road. I understand there was no footpath there. Look at him so close. Yappa! Bloody fool. Come bang me. I mean, come touch me. Hey girls, what you are looking at me? These people have no sense only, pa. Chumma looking at me while I was walking on the road and all. Hey, don't look, yeah. Hey, 4 girls, pa. I'm feeling shy, yeah. Shy is caving for me. It was so nice that I was walking this entire street to see the shit on the road, and I was like, what the hell? What the hell, bro? So yeah, look at this garbage, dude. How will my mom expect me to walk on this road? Hey cow, what you try to eat there, da? This is like the most worst situation in my area that I have to go through all this just to reach my home and all this thing. I took a very bad decision. Please move, sir, that side. What you're doing? More, more. So this street is like, like the perfume street. Okay, look at that, full of urine patches everywhere. They drink there, come and full of, give it back here only. So weird. This is that store. Morning. This guy wants to have fun here. Look at this guy now, full on boost, and he's sitting there. Yappa. Okay, mama. I'm almost done. Okay, I can't just keep recording it. So tired me and anyways. It was a good walk. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.